Hi, I'm Kate Davidson from Kate & Co. Design, and I'm here at a home in Mississauga, which was really a large renovation. We relocated a lot of the rooms here on the main floor, and starting with the kitchen, this has been a great renovation to offer the clients a wonderful, large, functional kitchen. Prior to the renovation, the kitchen was actually located in the center of the house. This was the dining room space, which we stole some room from the living room and closed it off to make this large, spacious kitchen. So the focal point of the kitchen is this large island. It's 13 feet long and it houses lots of cabinetry. It gives lots of seating area on the other side, and it is just wonderful for entertaining and cooking. For the cabinetry in the kitchen, it's a shaker style door. The perimeter cabinets are white, painted white, and then the island is a nice dark wood stain. For the counters, we kept quartz. The perimeter counter is a light quartz with subtle veining, while the island has strong veining, which adds a really nice interest. For the backsplash, we put a polished porcelain elongated subway tile. It has a really pretty shine to it and a really nice texture. It adds a lot of interest while still being classic and subtle. The homeowners have 3 children, so when selecting their appliances, they were very conscious to pick appliances that suited their needs. They have an oversized refrigerator, a drink fridge, 2 dishwashers, and another refrigerator for their juice bar. The homeowners are vegetarians, so one way we really customized the kitchen to suit their needs is we added a smoothie station. It has its own fridge and lots of storage for everything they need to make their smoothies. We added contrast to the kitchen with a great black hardware. We put black hardware on the cabinetry, black faucets, and also the dark iron light fixtures. I always encourage my clients to use the same flooring material throughout the main area of their home. Here we used hardwood, which carries into the kitchen from the dining room and from the foyer. It adds a really nice, warm, rich tone to complement the white cabinetry. Now, with 3 young children, having a large, durable dining table is a must. The dining table is a rich chocolate brown and has a farmhouse feel. It has a bench on one side, which is fantastic to get the kids in and out and gives you lots of seating. The renovation and reorganizing of this main floor plan was a real success. It enabled this family of 5 to have a wonderful open concept space from the kitchen to the dining area, and it's great for entertaining and family living.